Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this particular video, we are going to see how we write a claim letter. Now, claim is something that you think is your right because the company has done something wrong and you should be given something as a compensation, or maybe the product can be exchanged, or your amount can be refunded. So there can be many situations. Now, since claim letter is a neutral business letter, is a direct approach letter, so we have three paragraph format for this. Now, in the first paragraph, we start with a straightforward explanation of problem and claim. So, in the first paragraph, which is the main idea of the letter, we mention two things. What is the problem? Very briefly. And then what do we want? We want the exchange of our product. We want the company to refund our amount, or what is our claim? In paragraph 2, which deals with the details of the claim, we mention specific details of the product that we purchased or the service we availed, and then we mention any information the adjuster needs to verify our complaint, okay, about that faulty thing. So we might have any bills, any invoices, any check number through which we paid our amount, anything that we can use as a supporting evidence that we bought something or we availed this service from this organization, and we need to be given some amount as a compensation for the loss the company incurred. Now, in paragraph 3, we politely request the specific action or convey a concerned desire to find a solution, and then for this followed by appropriate friendly clause. So let's understand all these things with a sample now. What you see on the left side of the screen is basically the format of the letter that we discussed in the previous videos on letter format. You can also see the things followed. Now this is the first part, paragraph 1. ABC University bought 15 laptops of Dell from your company last week. 2 of the laptops are not functioning properly. We want you to exchange them at the earliest. Now, what is the thing? That a brief background of the company communication and the transaction is given, that ABC University bought 15 laptops, and then what is the problem? If you remember, we mentioned the problem very briefly, are not functioning properly. We mentioned the problem generally here. And then what do we want? What is our claim? We want the company to exchange the faulty goods. Now, this is paragraph 2, which is more bulky and which needs to be full of information. Since Fox Computers is a well-known seller of computer accessories in whole Karachi, sorry, there is a mistake. We approached you for the said number of laptops on 17 September 2019 for details, and placed our order on 20 September 2019. Now you see it is starting with a slightly appreciative statement for the organization, and then giving the details of the previous communication the two parties had. We received the order within 2 weeks, and so far all the laptops are working properly but two. The keyboards are not picking up instructions. Even the idea of cleaning the keys and a peripheral keyboard have not worked for any of them. Therefore, we have sent the two of them back to you with the bill invoice number this, dated this. Now, what you are doing here is that you are mentioning that you received this order and what is the problem. Now, we mentioned here that the laptops are not functioning properly, and why, how are they not functioning properly? We are being very concrete in terms of the problem over here, and then we have given some evidence that this is the bill or invoice number and this is the date on which we made purchase. Now this is the last paragraph in which we reiterate our request. Kindly exchange the defective laptop with fresh pieces on the above mentioned sender's address before this date. Now we mention the address and date, and then this is simply a claim letter. Hope you got some